Today's story name is The Tree Who Loved to Tell Stories. Deep in a green sunny meadow lived a wise old tree named Sage. Sage loved to tell stories after stories. When the wind blew, his leaves would sing, rustle, rustle. It was his way of saying, hello friends. Every afternoon, children would come to sit under his big shady branches. They would listen to every word. One little girl named Ilara loved Sage's stories most of all. Sage told him about a brave little leaf that sailed on a river of air. The children watched, their eyes wide with wonder, as a real leaf floated and twirled right in front of them. Sometimes a little squirrel would pop out with an acorn. The children would all laugh and giggle, giggle, giggle. The squirrel would run back up the tree and hide. Another time, Sage would told a story about a bird who could sing any song. Just then, a little bird landed on a branch and sang a happy song. Chirp, chirp. The children would jump up and act out the stories. They would pretend to be a flying bird or a singing leaf. They loved to play under the big kind tree. But one day, no children came. The sun went down and the meadow was quiet. Sage felt a little lonely. His leaves made a sad, soft sound. Then Ilara came back. She saw the quiet tree and knew he missed his friends. She walked closer, her heart full of love. Ilara wrapped her arms around the big, strong trunk. She gave the tree a big hug. And just like that, the stories came alive again. The leaves began to dance and sing, rustle, rustle. Sage's heart felt warm and full. He knew that stories are like hugs. They bring us closer and make hearts happy. And that was the very best story of all. Wow, wasn't that an amazing story, kids?
Yes, Mom.
Okay, so see you next time. Thanks for listening with us.
And don't forget to like, share and subscribe so you don't miss our next video.
Bye bye.